Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Brian Yesto. And for today's episode 53, mga must-try products by Ariel's Choice. Ariel's Choice. Complete your meals with tuyo and tinapa. They select and choose the best products with superior quality they can offer to their customers. Guaranteed better choice and better taste. 100% homemade, safe, and healthy. They also offer free delivery within Iloilo City area or meetups in malls. For resellers and customers who order 5 bottles and above for their mixed flavors, they offer discounted price for their products. They also do door-to-door delivery with flat rate of 50 pesos via New Move Express. And for more updates and promos, just visit their Facebook page, Ariel's Choice. For more details of their menus and delivery options, I'll be providing description down below. This episode is sponsored by Ariel's Choice. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout ako ng 2 tao nag-support sa aking Drinking Nose sa lahat po ng social media platforms ko. Sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa Facebook page, and also from my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. Yung first natin i-shoutout, isa po tong model, artist, and also vlogger. Shoutout kay It's Kina. Hello po Kina. Thank you sa pag-support sa aking Drinking Nose and also sa pag-sketch sa aking muka sa iyong Instagram and also sa vlog mo. So thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko talaga yung efforts mo, your passion, and congratulations sa success mo. So yung next natin shoutout ay si Raul Cordero or si Rex. Hi po kay Rex. Thank you kay Rex sa pag-motivate sa akin sa pag-vlog, sa bigay ng tips. Unang person na nag-strive sa akin na Maiko, try mo mag-vlog kasi nandun naman yung speaking skills mo, nandun naman yung passion mo as a barista. Thank you so much. And a big thank you talaga sa inyo dalawa na motivate, na inspired, na nag-strive talaga na maging better, mag-improve. Thank you so much. And keep safe mga nos, and God bless. Hi there mga nos! So here, gourmet tuyo and tinapa with Ariel's Choice. So, meron tayong on the side, may owned rice, may scrambled eggs, may preferred sauce for these products, yung sukang puti and chopped onions. Also, yung favorite ng lahat is yung kamatis or yung fresh tomatoes. For a drink, just plain water or distilled water. Before anything else mga nos, please do like this video and share it to one of your friends. Comment down below kung ano mga products na gusto to try for Ariel's Choice. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Pag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. Ito yung Ariel's Choice. Ito, nakita ko na sila na-display sa kanilang booth sa Mercado 2.0. Napakadami ng customers sila, daming pong pila kasi na-attract talaga yung mga Pinoy or Ilonggos sa smell or aroma for its tuyo and tinapa. So let's start mga nose. First product, your homemade gourmet tuyo spicy for 250 grams for 160 pesos. Pero kapag na-open na po yung product, keep it refrigerated para at least masustain yung freshness and also for its quality. And yung ingredients dito nakalagay is tuyo flakes, olive oil, garlic, carrots, and other natural spices. So manufacturing date is August 4, 2020. Best before date is February 4, 2021. So naka-seal talaga siya mga nose para secure na fresh yung products niyo. Kain tayo mga nose. Yung tuyo, it has a right amount of texture and also for its crispiness. So when it comes to spiciness, nasa moderate lang yung level niya. Di siya nag-overpower sa olive oil and for its tuyo, which is excellent. Sobrang swak at perfect yung gourmet tuyo nila for this combination. For next product and their best seller is their homemade gourmet tuyo original for 350 grams for 190 pesos. It contains tuyo flakes, olive oil, garlic, carrots, and other natural spices. Tapos yung manufacturing date niya is August 4, 2020 and best before February 4, 2021. Tapos ready to eat na siya mga nose, no need to fry. Kaya pala best seller to kasi napakadami ng tuyo flakes inside. Tapos it has a lighter version. Tapos wala akong na-experience mga nose na malangsa or matinik. So sakto yung quality na for its tuyo. And when it comes to olive oil, ang sarap yung combination or going sauce for your rice. For your next product, these are homemade gourmet tinapa in lemon for 350 grams up to 370 grams for 220 pesos. Before I forget, lahat po ng products sila is 6 months duration for its shelf life. So ingredients for this product is tinapa or smoked fish, deboned, corn oil, slice of lemon, carrots, vinegar, sugar, laurel leaves, peppercorn, and other spices. Manufacturing date niya is August 4, 2020 and expiration date is February 4, 2021. Meron siyang message dito sa baba. Lagay dito, the benefits of lemon. Lemon's pack of great punch of vitamin C which helps boost your immune system. In addition to vitamin C, lemons contain flavonoids and evidence suggests this may decrease oxidative stress. In other words, that slice of lemon contains antioxidants to help your body combat free radicals. We salute all our frontliners. Each time we buy a box of gourmet tinapa, we're able to send help to our less fortunate kababayans in this time of crisis. So magandang way ito mga nose kasi nagbili ka na ng product, nag-enjoy ka na, at the same time nag-help ka na for our kababayans or our frontliners. Meron siyang inspirational quotes dito sa taas sa packaging, so basahin ko lang. I've learned that people will forget what you've said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. By Maya Angelou. Ang ganda ng message niya. So, very inspirational quote talaga. Ayun mga nose, naubos ko na yung rice, yung tomatoes, and for my egg. Sobrang sarap mga nose. So, i-clear ko muna yung plate ko. Okay, for rating mga nose, for all of their products, I'll give it a perfect 10. Ito, naging consistent sila for its flavor, right amount of salty, and yung essence for each of their flavors. On point siya. When it comes to olive oil, sa lemon, and also for its carrots, right on point sila. Nag-well balance sila for its tinapa and toyo flakes. When it comes sa packaging, very secured siya at very attractive. Big thank you talaga sa lahat po ng staff and owners for Ariel's Choice for your overall presentation and preparation for my Tasteless Vlog Breaking Nose. So legit talaga na pinipilahan sila, marami nag-order, and also good customer feedbacks. So Ariel's Choice has good quality of products, excellent service, unique and creative secured packaging, and a certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Ariel's Choice. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!